This small but powerful explosive device plays a crucial role in battlefields. A grenade is consisting of crucial components that enable its functionality. Let us delve into the intricate components of a fragmentation grenade. First, we have the outer shell, serving as a protective casing usually made out of steel. When the grenade explodes, this shell shatters, unleashing deadly fragments, shrapnel, that originate from the casing itself. Nested within this casing lies the heart of the grenade, the explosive filling. Typically composed of TNT or RDX, these potent materials exhibit high detonation velocities, augmenting the grenade's impact. Next, we have the fuse. This element is essential for initiating the detonation process. This fuse comes in two variations: the impact fuse and the time-delayed fuse. The impact fuse triggers the explosion upon colliding with a solid surface. On the other hand, the time-delayed fuse bestows